Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Speak and Listen English, the podcast where every chat helps you grow. I'm Emma.
Hi, Emma. Hello, everyone. I'm Jack.
How are you feeling today, Jack?
I'm doing really well, thanks. I took a nice walk this morning. The air was fresh, the birds were singing. How about you, Emma?
I'm great, just a bit sleepy. I stayed up too late last night watching an English series with subtitles.
Oh no. What series was it?
A cozy mystery show. The words at the bottom of the screen, subtitles, really help me learn, but then I think, just one more episode, and suddenly it's midnight.
I know that feeling. Subtitles are amazing for learning, but good shows are dangerous for sleep.
Exactly, but you know what? Even watching with subtitles is training your brain. You're getting English input.
So even my late-night TV time is helping my English?
Absolutely, every bit counts. And that actually leads perfectly into today's topic.
Oh? What's our big topic today?
Today, we're diving into something powerful, training your brain to think in English.
Think in English? That sounds challenging.
It might sound tough at first, but it's totally doable. And I've got 3 simple, practical tips to help you get there, plus some bonus ideas along the way.
Simple tips? I'm all ears. But Emma, before we start, can someone really learn to think in English? Is it actually possible for regular people?
Absolutely. Thousands of learners just like you have done it. It takes practice, yes, but it's not magic, it's method.
How long before I notice a difference?
Everyone's journey is different. Some people feel a shift in 2 weeks. For others, it takes a month or 2. But if you practice a little every day, you will notice progress.
A few weeks? That's actually encouraging.
Exactly. And here's the beautiful part. Every single day, it gets a little easier, like learning to ride a bike. Wobbly at first, then smooth.
I like that image. Okay, I'm feeling motivated now.
That's the spirit. But before we begin, a quick favor for our wonderful listeners.
If you're enjoying this episode, please tap that like button. It really helps us.
And don't forget to subscribe to Speak and Listen English so you never miss an episode.
Share this with a friend who's learning English too. Your support means the world to us.
Thank you, everyone. Now, let's talk about your brain and how to make it your English superpower.
My brain. Is everything okay with it?
Your brain is wonderful, Jack. We just want to help it work smarter in English, not harder.
Smarter, not harder. I love that.
Exactly. So, Jack, let me ask you, when you speak English, what happens first in your mind?
I usually think in my native language first. I make the sentence in my head, then I try to translate it into English word by word.
That's super common. So many learners do the exact same thing.
But then my sentences come out slow, or sometimes the words feel wrong, or I just forget what I wanted to say.
Right. When your brain translates, it's doing double work. First, it thinks in your language, then it translates. That's why speaking feels heavy and slow.
Double work. No wonder I get tired after just a few minutes of conversation.
Exactly. So our goal today is simple. Help your brain work just once. Think in English, speak in English. 1 step, not 2.
That sounds so much smoother, but how do we actually start?
With 3 easy, practical tips, and we'll practice together as we go. Ready?
Ready.
Tip 1. Think in tiny sentences.
Tiny sentences, like baby sentences?
Yes, short, simple, and clear. No pressure to be perfect. For example, right now, what are you doing?
I'm sitting. I'm sitting on a chair.
Perfect. That's a tiny English sentence. No translation needed, just you thinking in English.
Oh, that feels easy. I can do that.
You don't need long, perfect sentences, just small thoughts in English, like taking snapshots of your life with words.
Word snapshots. I like that.
Let's practice together. When you wake up in the morning, instead of translating, just think, I'm awake. I'm thirsty. The sun is shining.
I'm awake. I'm thirsty. The sun is shining. See? That's English. Straight from my brain. No translation.
Yes, short sentences, simple words. That's tip 1. And you can do this anywhere.
Like on the bus?
Exactly. Try it now. What do you see around you on the bus?
The bus is moving. People are standing. I have a seat. I feel lucky.
Wonderful, Jack. 4 tiny English thoughts. That's your brain practicing.
This is fun. I feel like I'm writing a little English poem about my day.
An English poet. I love it. The more you practice, the more natural it becomes. 1 tiny sentence at a time.
1 tiny sentence. I could do that.
Let's try another situation. You're making breakfast. What tiny sentences can you think?
I'm opening the fridge. I see eggs. I'm hungry. I will make toast.
Perfect. See, you're describing your actions in simple English. No translation. Just you and your day.
It feels like I'm narrating my own life movie in English.
Exactly. And here's a bonus idea. Write your tiny sentences down. Just 3 a day. In a notebook, on your phone, anywhere.
So like a mini English diary?
Yes, just 3 tiny sentences. Today is sunny. I feel good. I will learn. Small but powerful.
I can do 3 sentences. That's not scary at all.
That's the point. Easy, doable, consistent.
Okay, tip 1 is clear. Tiny sentences. What's tip 2?
Tip 2, input.
Input? What does that mean exactly?
Input means English going in. You listen, you read. Your brain soaks it up like a sponge.
Like listening to this podcast right now?
Exactly. You're getting English input as we speak. Your brain is hearing patterns, rhythms, natural phrases.
So input can be podcasts, songs, movies, books?
Yes, and here's the key. Choose things you enjoy. If you love cooking, watch cooking videos in English. If you love football, listen to football commentary.
So learning English doesn't have to feel like homework.
Exactly. When you enjoy the content, your brain stays engaged. Learning becomes fun, not a chore.
I love that. So what should I listen to if I'm just starting?
Great question. Start with content made for learners, like our podcast. Slow, clear, with helpful explanations.
And then?
Then try children's books or simple stories. The language is clear, the pictures help, and the stories are engaging.
I actually like children's books. The pictures are nice and the words are easy to understand.
Perfect. That's exactly the right level. And here's a pro tip within tip 2, shadowing.
Shadowing, like following a shadow.
Close. Shadowing means you listen to English, then repeat it right after, copying the words, the rhythm, the feeling.
So I listen, pause, then speak like an echo.
Yes, it trains your mouth and your ear together. Your brain learns the music of English.
Let's try it now. Can we do a mini shadowing practice?
Absolutely. Listeners, join us. Repeat after Jack.
I am learning English.
And now, repeat after me. I am growing every day.
I am confident.
I am capable.
See? That's shadowing. Short, simple,
powerful.
And you can do this anywhere, with our podcast, with a song, with a movie scene. Listen, pause, repeat.
I can try that with my morning coffee. Listen to one sentence, repeat it while I stir my coffee.
I love that image. English and coffee, the perfect morning pair.
Okay, so input means listen to things I enjoy, start simple, and try shadowing.
Exactly. Let English flow in naturally and joyfully.
Great. Tip 1, tiny sentences. Tip 2, input. What's tip 3?
Tip 3, output.
Output, English coming out.
Yes, speaking, writing, using what you know. This is where your English becomes real.
So input is English in, output is English out.
Exactly. And output is key. Listening alone isn't enough. You have to use English to own it.
But what if I don't have anyone to practice with? That's my big worry.
Great question. And the answer might surprise you. Talk to yourself.
Talk to myself? Won't people think I'm weird?
Maybe a little, but you'll learn faster. And when you're alone, there's no pressure, no judgment, just you and your English.
So I can make mistakes and it's okay.
More than okay. Mistakes are how you grow. Try, slip, try again. Your brain is practicing.
Okay, I'll try talking to myself in English at home. But what do I actually say?
Great question. Let's practice with a real situation. You're in the kitchen making coffee. What can you say?
I'm pouring water. The coffee smells amazing. I feel ready for the day.
Perfect. That's output. Simple, real English flowing from you.
It feels like I'm hosting my own English radio show in my kitchen.
Welcome to Jack's Morning Show. Today's topic, coffee and confidence.
And I can describe what I see, too. The window is open. A bird is singing. Today feels hopeful.
Yes, that's output. Your thoughts, your world in English.
It feels easy when I think of it like this.
You don't need perfect grammar. You just need to try. Every try makes your brain stronger.
So, comfortable English, not perfect English.
Yes, say it with me. Comfortable, not perfect.
Comfortable, not perfect. I'll remember that.
And output isn't just speaking. You can write, too. A tiny diary, a short note, just a few sentences.
Like, today I walked in the park. I saw a friendly dog. I felt happy.
Perfect. Writing is output, too. Your brain practices when you write.
So speak, write, think out loud, all of it helps?
Exactly. Use English in any way you can.
Emma, can we practice with a few more real-life situations? I think that would really help our listeners.
Great idea. Let's do 3 quick scenarios. Listeners, play along.
Scenario 1. You're at the supermarket. What tiny sentences can you think?
I need milk. The apples look fresh. I will buy bread.
Perfect. Scenario 2. You're waiting for a friend. What can you say in your head?
I am early. The sky is blue. I feel calm.
Nice. Scenario 3. You're tired after work. What tiny English thoughts help?
I did my best today. Now I will rest. Tomorrow is a new day.
I love that last one. Tomorrow is a new day. That's hopeful.
Yes, tiny sentences can carry big feelings.
Okay, let's try a shadowing moment together. Listeners, repeat after us.
I am learning.
I am growing.
I am enough.
I am ready.
Beautiful. Your voice matters. Your practice matters.
Emma, one more thing. How much time do I really need every day?
Great question. And the answer might surprise you. Just 10 minutes.
Only 10 minutes?
Yes, 10 minutes every day beats 3 hours once a week. Your brain learns through repetition, little and often.
So 10 minutes today, 10 tomorrow, 10 the next day.
And in a month, you'll notice a change. In 3 months, a big difference.
Small steps every day, like building a house, one brick at a time.
Yes, a beautiful English house built brick by brick.
And I can link it to my coffee ritual, 10 minutes of English with my morning cup.
Jack's English coffee time. I love it. After a week, it feels normal. After a month, it feels easy.
And one day someone will say, "Jack, your English is amazing."
And you'll smile and say, "Thank you. I practiced with my coffee."
Perfect answer.
That's the secret. Easy, daily, joyful practice.
Okay, let's review our 3 tips so they stick.
Tip 1. Tiny sentences. Short, simple, real. Describe your world in small English thoughts.
Tip 2. Input. Listen, read, shadow. Let English flow in through things you enjoy.
Tip 3. Output. Speak, write, try. Let English flow out even if you're alone.
And the golden rule, 10 minutes every day.
Comfortable, not perfect.
Small steps, big results.
You've got this.
Now, listeners, we have a challenge for you.
Yes. Today, try this. 3 tiny English sentences about your day. Just 3.
Write them down, say them out loud, or share them in the comments below.
And if you're feeling brave, try 1 minute of shadowing with this episode. Listen, pause, repeat.
We read every comment. Your voice matters. Your practice matters.
Remember, your brain is listening. Your brain is learning. Every tiny step counts.
Thank you for spending this time with us. You didn't just listen, you practiced, you grew.
If this episode helped you, please subscribe to Speak and Listen English.
Tap like, share with a friend, and tell us in the comments, what's your tiny English sentence today?
We can't wait to hear from you.
Until next time, keep thinking, keep trying, keep growing.
See you soon.
Bye, everyone.
Bye-bye.